West Indies returned to old ways, going down by 74 runs to Pakistan in their second one-day international in Providence, Guyana. Centre-back Pakistan made 282 for 5, with Babar Azam top scoring with 125, his fifth ODI century. He shared an unbroken sixth-wicket stand of 99 with Imad Wasim, who got 43. Shannon Gabriel took 2 for 50, while Azari Joseph, Devendra Bishu, and Ashley Nurse took a wicket apiece. Despite some lower-order resistance, the Windies were dismissed for 208 in reply, as captain Jason Holder top scored with 68, while Ashley Nurse made 44. Fast bowler Hassan Ali took 5 for 38 for Pakistan. Holder believes a combination of poor bowling at the death and below-par batting by the top six let the team down.
But at the end, I think they got probably 20 runs too many. Credit must go to Babar Azam. I thought he played a really good innings, but I felt, at the stage that we were at, and probably in the 42nd over, they should have gone on 260. Although they got 280, I still thought that was easy to chase, on this wicket. The wicket's pretty good. I felt it played throughout the entire 100 overs, It's just a situation where we needed 2 more partnerships up front.